Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create eye-catching Instagram Reels cover using Magic Studio in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the canva.com. Make sure that you are logged in with your Canva account. Once you are on the home screen, you will see different options at your left corner. Within it, tap Create Icon. Now it will show different templates. At the search bar, type Instagram. From the search result, tap Instagram Reels. Now it will open the Instagram Reel template page. Within it, click on the design option, or as you can see, it has already opened the design option, so I don't have to open it. Within it, type the prompt. Then click on Submit. Canva Magic Studio will instantly create multiple reel cover designs. You can scroll down and choose whichever you like. Once selected, you can improve your reel cover by using AI tools like Magic Write to generate short, catchy cover text. You can also edit the cover by tapping on it. You can use different types of filters even while adjusting contrast if needed. After all the editing and adjustment, you can just download and use your reel cover. In order to download the reel cover, tap on the share option, then download button. Please make sure to choose the file to JPG or PNG based on your need. After that, tap download and you will successfully download the reel cover. And that's how you can easily create Insta reel cover using Magic Studio in Canva. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.